How to find hidden messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Scroll down the main list of settings until you find and tap on Message. In the Messages settings, scroll down until you find the Message Filtering section. Here, turn on the toggle for the Filter Unknown Senders feature. This will sort messages from people not in your contacts into a separate list. Now, go back to your home screen and open up the Messages application. Tap on Filters at the top left corner. Here, tap on Unknown Senders to view all hidden messages. Following these steps, you can easily find hidden messages on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.